So lesson probability है in this, distinguish between the experimental and theoretical probability and calculate the theoretical probability of an event. Okay, so these things we are going to learn here. So now if you see that in your surroundings normally games will be there, so many games will be there. Okay, so experiments normally here, throwing a dice when you are playing a ludo will be in the game very famous, you know that. So dice is there, so on the dice you are going to have the six numbers will be written, 1 2 3 4. So which number you will get, you don't know. What are the chances or the probability of rolling a 6, means 6 आने का chance क्या है, we don't know. So which one we are going to get it, that is normally called as a probability actually. Okay, so it is, probability is nothing but chance. Okay, so 100 times roll कर लो, 1000 times roll कर लो, roll, you have to roll the die. So as per the experiment, total number of throws, total throws of a die is 4000 number of. So when you throw a die 4000 times, you may get six, number 6 on that 640 times. If you throw that, then the probability of that event is nothing but number of sixes rolled by total number of throws. 640 divided by 4000 is the probability. So that is, you are going to get 0.16, which is approximately equal to 1 by 6. So whenever you throw a dice, whenever you do the experiment, experimental or empirical probability, we call it as a experimental, means empirical probability. Okay, so probability is nothing but number of times that particular number you got and divided by total number of throws normally. Okay, so an experimental probability is the most cases settled around 1 upon the 6. So that is nothing but when you throw the more number of times, when you throw a die more number of, even tossing a coin will be there. So in the probability, mostly you are going to have the problems based on the tossing a coin, throwing a die, and taking a card from the pack of the cards. That I will explain to you on the board very clearly. So here, if you see that throwing a die, fair or unbiased, this type of the die is called fair die or unbiased die, because there is no repeated numbers are present in the on the die. So such type of the die is the possible outcomes either 1 हो सकता है, 2 3 4 5 6, any one of these 6 numbers you may get. We cannot say that. So all our chances are having equally likely outcomes. We come the what are the results we are getting, they are called as equally likely outcomes. So total number of possible outcomes are 6 here. So favorable outcomes means getting a 6, हमको 6 चाहिए, so that is called a favorable outcomes. 6 आने का probability is nothing but 1 by 6 होगा. 5 आने का probability 1 by 6 होगा. Every number the probability of getting each number, because as they are all equally likely outcomes, the probability of getting a 6 on the roll die is 1 by 6, because only one 6 is present out of 6, so the value is 0.16. So don't consider that probability of getting a 5 means 1 by 5 not, 1 by 5 not, it is also 1 by 6 only. Probability of getting a 5, probability of getting a number 1 when you throw a die. So as per the number of observations in an experiment increases, the experimental probability gets closer to the theoretical probability. That means if you throw the die 4 times, throw the die, but you may get 1 time only. So that is nothing but 4 times throwing means 1 time getting 1 by 4. No, number of times you have to go on increases, 1000 times, 4000 times. If you go on increasing the number of times throwing a die, and you observe that getting a number, particular number, either 6 or 4 or 5, don't consider only 6. You may observe that how many times you are getting 4, and that number of times increase hona hai, number of observations an experiment increases, the experimental probability get closer to the, that is called as a theoretical probability, which is called as a theoretical probability. Theoretical probability बोले तो वो है. So that is nothing but we are going to take the probability of getting a number 1 when you throw a die is 1 by 6. So theoretical probability of an event E, it is denoted by P of E, number of outcomes favorable to that particular event E by total number of possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes क्या है? When you throw a die 6 होगा. So the possible outcomes of an experiment are called its elementary events. What do we call? Element. So what is the probability of getting a number 2 on a roll, on the roll of a die? Number 2 कितना बार होता है die में? एक ही बार होता है ना. So one time will be there and total number of outcomes is favorable outcome क्या है? Even whatever it may be the number you get, favorable outcome is only 1. So that's why probability of getting a number 2 is 1 by 6. Probability of getting a number 5 is also 1 by 6. Any number you take. How do we take into consideration? Means you do this experiment number of times. Okay, these are all called actually random experiments. I'll explain to you very clearly. So every number, getting a number 1 is 1 by 6 only, getting a number 2 also 1 by 6, getting a number 3 also 1 by 6. So probability of and sum of all the elementary events of the probability of sum of all the elementary events. See, everyone if you add is equals to 1 you will get. And to do remember that probability of any event always lies between 0 and 1. It lies between 0 and 1. So 0 को 1 को बीच में ही होता है, उससे ज्यादा नहीं होता है. Any probability if you are taking into consider, you take any probability into consider, then you are not going to get more than 1. Okay, so these are the basic things you need to know. And sum of all the elementary events, sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events will be equal to 1. Probability of getting a number 1 on a rolling a die is 1 by 6. 1 आने का probability क्या है? 1 by 6 है. 2 आने का probability 2 by 6 नहीं, 1 by 6 only, because 2 will be present only one time. 2 is present only one time. So what is the probability of getting a number other than 1 on a rolling a die? Can anyone guess the answer? What are the favorable events for this? How many favorable events will be there? How many favorable outcomes? Sorry, how many favorable outcomes will be there? Other than 1. 1 छोड़ के कितना होता है डाई में? रिमेनिंग नंबर्स 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is nothing but 5 outcomes will be there. So favorable outcomes will be 5. Because ये 1 छोड़ के बाकी सब है. Favorable outcomes are 5. So then the probability of getting a number other than 1 is, other than 1 can be represented like this. Other than 1 can be represented like this here. Probability of, so here probability of getting a number other than 1 is 5 by 6. Probability of getting a number 1 is 1 by 6. And dono these events if you add, getting a number 1 is a one event, getting a number other than 1 is another event. These two types of the events are mutually exclusive of each other, are called complementary events. Getting a number 1, getting a other than number 1, mutually exclusive events. And these are called complementary events. What do we call? We call them as a complementary events. E is an event of getting a number 1 on the roll on die. P of E represent. So P of E other than 1 is P of E bar represent karega. So what is the probability of getting a number 10 on the rolling a die? Can anyone say? 10 आएगा?
No sir.
10 तो नहीं आएगा, तो the probability will become 0. In this case 0 है. 10 नहीं है ना, so 10 नहीं है, so there are no favorable outcomes. The number of favorable outcomes are 0. So that's why 0 by 6. So then when the probability of an event is 0, then that event is called as, event को क्या बोलते हैं? Please note this here, impossible event. What do we call? It is called as impossible event. So chances ही नहीं है, वो 10 आने का चांस नहीं है. probability of getting a number less than 10 on rolling a die, less than 10 आने का chances क्या है बोले तो either 1 हो सकता है, 2 हो सकता है, 3 हो सकता है, 4, 5, 6 तक हो सकता है. So favorable outcomes are 6. 7, 8, 9 sir. 7, 8, 9 is not there. So the probability in this case is equals to 1 you are getting. So such type of the event is called as certain event. It is called as certain events. So what we have learned, let us recall, these are the different types of the probabilities we have learned here. So once let us recall, and I will explain to you on the board also very clearly, still if you have any doubt here. Theoretical and classical probability of an event is denoted by P of A. Probability of event formula क्या है? Number of outcomes favorable to that particular event by total number of possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes should be taken into consideration. So the outcomes of an experiment are equally likely. Equally likely is nothing but chances, same equal chances होना है. So probability of an event 1 हो गया तो that is called a sure event. If it is 0, it is called impossible event. And always the probability of an event lies between 0 and 1. And an event with only one outcome is called as elementary event. Sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is 1. Sum of all the probabilities of. So for any event, P of E plus P of E bar is nothing but complement event. E के ऊपर एक dash लिखा है तो that is called as complement event. And where E and E stands, E bar stands for not E बोल के लिखता है. So this is the probability, and based on this probability we are going to have the problems, and let us E and E bar are called complementary events. So experimental probability whenever you are taking into consider here is close to the theoretical probability as the number of observations increases. Number of observations increase होता है तो theoretical probability होता है. Okay, so these are the main things you have to remember here, and along with this you are going to have the probability में normally I have shown you the only throwing a die throwing, and apart from the die throwing there will be a problems based on a tossing a coin, and different situations will be taken into consider. Situations also will be taken into consider, different situations. Tossing a coin will be there one situation, and pick up a card from the pack of the cards. Pack of the cards will be taken into consider. So that these are knowledge also you need to know here whenever you are learning the probability. So can anyone say that I'll ask some questions to you based on this. If probability of an event is equals to 1 means what do we call? Probability of an event.
Sure.
The event is called sure event.
Sure event.
Yes, probability of an event is equal to 0 means
Impossible event.
very good. So probability of, suppose E is a one event, then probability of E complement is equals to, probability of E complement is equals to
1.
no, probability of E complement is equals to 1 minus probability of E. 1 minus probability of E. So 1 minus probability of E is the thing you have to take into consider. So now let us see here. I'm going to explain to you. Let us discuss about the cards, playing cards. So what are the playing cards? Means pack of the cards. Generally we call them as a deck of the cards. So how many cards will be there, and what do we call that cards? Based on this only, when you throw the die 2 times and possible outcomes kya hai, and each outcome is called as elementary event. Suppose when you throw the die, एक डाई को थ्रो कर लिया है. Okay, so whenever you throw the die, 1 you will get, 2 you will get, 3 you will get, 4 you will get, 5 you will get, 6 you will get. These numbers all called elementary events. We call them as a elementary events. Okay, so main things are here. First thing actually probability, whenever you start random experiment बोलता है. What is meant by random experiment also you need to know. In the 9th class only you have learned it. So once I will recall that one. Random experiment. Can anyone know the random experiment means? This is called random experiment. Do you know? An experiment in which the results are known, but we cannot predict the exact result. An experiment in which outcomes are results. Suppose when you are doing that, a physics experiment or a chemistry experiment you are doing, a particular result आपको आना ही आना है. Litmus paper will be there. Suppose your acids and bases experiment you are doing. So you need to get the particular color. That answer only you need to get it whenever you are doing the science experiments like that. So otherwise, that answer only you need to get. But here that experiment is normal experiment. But random experiment is nothing but an experiment in which the results are known, but we cannot predict exactly. हम एक coin को toss कर लिया. We have tossed a coin. We know that either head or tail. ये दोनों में किसी एक आएगा हमको पता है. But we don't know that exactly what do we get. And what are the results we are getting? We cannot predict it. Prediction is nothing but we cannot say that. So we will get only this one, we will get only that one. And when you throw the die, you may get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. इसमें कुछ भी आ सकता है. You may get any number. So we cannot predict. When you throw the die, वो अभी 4 ही आएगा बोल के नहीं बोल सकते हैं. But the probability of these whatever we are getting the outcomes, we call them as outcomes. बाहर आ रहा है ना results. Results को outcomes बोल दो. And these outcomes are called elementary events. We call them as elementary events. And probability of sum of the probabilities of each elementary event is equals to 1 always. Suppose if you are tossing a coin, when you toss the coin, the outcomes क्या है? Head, tail. ये दोनों outcomes. So getting a head, getting a tail. So probability of getting a head is equals to 1 by 2. Probability of getting a tail is equals to 1 by 2, because there will be a one head only, one tail. Suppose if a bag contains 4 red balls, 5 white balls, 6 black balls are there. And if it is given that each are equally likely outcomes, so what is the probability of getting a red ball? बोले तो पूरा red balls कितना है? 4 है. And in this, how many total balls are there? 15 are there. So 4 by 15 is the probability of getting a red ball if when you pick up a single ball from the bag and each are considered as equally likely outcomes. If each outcome is equally likely outcome, then we can say. So now when you toss a coin, coin toss कर लिया, then probability these two are equally likely outcomes. Because how do we say equally likely outcomes? Means normally you toss the coin 1000 times and you note down. Whenever you are feeling bored, a coin ले लो, toss करो, 1000 times toss करो, and how many times you got a head, how many times you got a tail, you note down. Approximately nearby number you are going to get. 1 by 2 you are going to get. Total number of times you got head, and total number of times you got tail. mostly they will be near to 500. You are going to get near to one number you may get 470. 470 times you may get head. डिवाइडेड बाय 1000 करो. ये क्या होता है ना, इंक्रीज होता है तो नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स 1000 टाइम्स 2000 टाइम्स 4000 टाइम्स इंक्रीज होता है तो the accurate number you are going to get. That's why this is called theoretical probability. As the number of cases increases, experimental probability will become as a theoretical probability. That is only. So these will may little bit may confuse you, but you concentrate the probability of getting a head and see here ये दोनों का add कर लो 1 हो जाता है. So this is the probability of getting a head and tail. And about the probability of getting a, when you throw a die को throw कर लिया. So then the probability will be discussed. Already we have discussed this. Now let us go for deck of the cards. Cards के बारे में सीखते हैं. What are the deck of the cards we are going to have? How many cards will be there? In a cards, whenever you are going deck of cards, if you take, there will be two colors. Two different colors. So one is red color, another one is black color. In the red color, you are going to have heart and diamond. You are going to have heart. This symbol will be like this. And the next one is diamond. This is diamond. So like this. These both are red color. Okay, so this about the cards you need to know here. So next, in the black we are going to have the two symbols. Red में two symbols होगा, that is heart and diamond we will call. And in the black color में we are going to have the two symbols. They are called spade. Spade will be just like a one leaf की जैसा होता है, just like this. You consider leaf, पत्ता की जैसा होता है. एक लीफ जैसा होता है स्पेड एंड क्लब अनदर वन इज क्लब ये फ्लावर की जैसा होता है जस्ट like this flower. So these are the four different symbols you are going to find in a deck of the cards area. So at in each symbol you are going to have a number starting from 2 3 4 1 will not be there, 1 you will not find out. Okay, and you are going to find out 2 3 and before that a will be there. Actually a will be called as ace. A symbol will be there. This is called as ace, and number 2 3 4 and so on till the 10 numbers will be there. And this is J Q K. These three are called face cards. We call them as a face cards. One is jack, queen, king. Jack, queen, king. So like this, in every symbol you are going to have the, how many cards are there here? Total number of cards कितना है?
13.
13 cards will be there. 13. And in every symbol you are going to have 13 cards. And total number of cards will be 13 fours are
52.
yes. Total number of cards are total number of cards is equals to 52. Number of black cards. Can anyone say how many black cards will be there? How many black cards will be there?
26.
26 है, ये दोनों black है. Number of red cards. How many red cards will be there?
26.
26.
26.
Of each symbol, club will be 13, spade will be 13, diamond will be 13, heart will be 13. And number of face cards. Can you say total number of face cards? इसमें 3, इसमें 3, इसमें 3, इसमें 3. 12. Total number of the face cards. And total number of ace cards. Ace कितना होता है? 4. So
4.
Any question if you are asking. So now if I am asking a question to you, what is the probability of drawing a black ace, black color ace from the deck of the cards. If I am asking, what is the probability of drawing a black ace out of these cards?
4 by 52.
No, no, no.
2 by 52.
2 by 52.
Because black, I said, black color में दो ace होता है, इधर एक ace, इधर एक ace. Only two aces will be there. They are called as favorable outcomes. And what I am saying here, black ace, getting a black ace is called as an event. उसको event कहते हैं. Event will contain some elementary events. So what are the elementary events? Spade में A होगा, plug में A होगा. So only two will be there. 2 out of total number of cards 52. So 2 out of 52 if you are taking, then answer will be 2 by 52. That is 1 by 26. And you see that probability wherever whatever the probability you are calculating, the probability of any event if you are taking into consideration, it always less than 1 and more than 0. If probability of any event is equals to 0, then it is called a impossible event. Probability of any event is equals to 1, it is called sure event or certain event. Sure event or certain event also we can call. Did you get my point? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
this is the main problems will be based on these three experiments only. Random experiment बोले तो experiment in which the results are known but we cannot predict the result exactly. And what results we are getting, that the results are called as a outcomes. We call them as an outcome, and each outcome is called as elementary event. If one event, one elementary event and more than elementary events together, if you are combining, that is called as a one event. So probability of any event is equals to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes से divide कर लिया तो then whatever you will get, it is called as a probability. Simple chapter है, and exercise problems we are going to see in the next class. Okay.